Hello guys, welcome back to my channel AKSHARAS EPICURE. I hope all are safe at your places. So guys, as it's mango season, let's make some mango halwa. Let's get started. So guys, we have to make few preparations and keep it ready so that we can add them one by one. Firstly, we need to wash and grind the rice flakes into a paste. Melt and fill the jaggery. Dilute the corn flour with water. Remove the mango skin and grind them. Grind sugar and ilachi together. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let me know your feedback in the comment sections below. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new updates. I will see you in the next video. Till then, lots of sneha from me to you. Bye!